is... Oh, we done heard about you. Oh, we done heard about you.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
What's up, y'all? My name is SOLEIL, and welcome back to a brand new gameplay. So today, I know you see it. We're on that Resident Evil 4 demo. I know I'm late, guys. I know I'm late. It's been a lot of stuff going on, trust me. But I'm excited for this. I feel like they're gonna have me running through here like Village did, but I'm ready. I'm pumped up, y'all. Let's get into it.
September 30th, 1998.
Okay.
It's a day I'll never forget.
Yes! Resident Evil 2, come on.
The cop inside me died that day.
Oh.
That night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program.
Joe Biden?
Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me.
Ooh.
But at least they kept my mind off everything.
Hey, my boy, ready.
If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain.
Oh,
even
R.I.P.
for a second.
Ooh, R.I.P. as well.
This time, it can be different.
Ada, no!
It has to.
My boy deep in thought. You see the way he's just pondering like that? Oh, okay. It's reading. It's reading. I got y'all. It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident, an unprecedented biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation. Having distinguished himself as a U.S. special agent, he is tasked with locating the president's missing daughter. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe, where intel suggests the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leon's past trauma could not prepare him for the nightmare, the insanity he would find there. Ooh, I like the way they built that up. Oh wait, ooh, oh, they just dropped me in it? They said, on your mark, get set, go. Look at my boy with the cut. What is this Johnny Cake +8? This little cut you got. Now, they want me to walk, but I'm still on this cut right now. It's giving Backstreet Boy. Leon said, I want it that way. Tell him. All right, so where am I at? Y'all got me in a different village? I saw the crazy villagers and farmers. I already know what's about to happen. What's over here? Okay, we just walking. We just moseying on down. Okay, they telling me to hurry up. Okay, they said hurry your ass up. Okay.
How far could he have gone?
Ooh, ooh. Ooh. Is one of my homies out here? One of my brother? Oh, what is this? It's got bloody animal. I know that stink. Let me see. It's like that morbid curiosity. You know you gotta get up on it and what's it smell like? Ooh, why is it yellow? What is that? Y'all see that yellow water? Somebody pee down here? Ooh. I know it gotta smell crazy in here. Or out here, excuse me. I'm not even gonna go. I'm just gonna stick to the script. I was gonna go around and explore, but I'm gonna just go ahead and stick to the script. You know that's how you get in trouble in here. Hello? It's Mr. Kennedy. Open up.
Anyone home?
Be yelling. Oh my God. Is that the door closing? Leon, you just look so let's talk about this fit you got on. Like, ooh, you look so good. Look at this jacket. You can tell he spent a little change on this jacket. This look like a good quality jacket. I'm gonna focus. Don't even get mad. I'm gonna focus. Hey, how's it going, guys? Nobody in here? Hello? It's young Leon. In the building. Oh, put that down. We don't know what that is. We don't know if that draws spirits, wards them away. We don't know what that is. And if we don't learn anything from the game, These folks is crazy. They probably trying to draw the spirits to him. No, ma'am. I'm scared. We rebuke it in the name. We rebuke it. Okay, let me see. Hello? It's Leon. Is anybody home? No, you need to have your weapon drawn. See? I thought he was gonna swing. Leon, what you about to do?
Sorry to barge in like this.
Oh, he's just gonna talk to him.
Busco a un policía.
Policia? Is he Aki? Will you use some Carmex? Lips is moisturized. Okay, I'm gonna focus. Guys, please, I'm gonna focus. Oh! Oh yeah, he's gone. Leon, please! I'm ready. You know I'm ready. Oh! He think he the Karate Kid now? What he do? What was that? Oh, you know why we...
Good.
It's... You know it's not good. You know it's not good. What is that? Oh, okay, we already looked at that. Leon, you know it's not good. Didn't I come in this way or am I tripping? Oh, I'm bugging because I know I just came in that way. Hold on. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, my cheeks are clenched really tightly. What's that say? To Confucius say the consumption and the Yama and the Llama to the Nosferatu. Okay, come on. Leon, why you want to go down here and you know it's dark? Oh, so they got more stuff up here. What are y'all trying to conjure? Ooh, with an Empre and a Destructione. What is that? Is that an animal? Are y'all in here cooking? That don't look right. It don't look right. What's going on? Okay. What? Hello?
Hey.
Oh, shoot. Leon, what happened? Oh, wow. Oh, what happened to... Oh, turn that off. Do you though?
What's your situation?
No. Yeah, he's gone. He's gone, baby. Oh my gosh. I'm scared, guys. Escape. Oh, they already want me to aim some. We want a piece of it. We want a piece of it. I'm ready.
What was that?
Somebody in here moving. Hello? Hello? Whoa! Ooh! Get ready! R2! R2! Do what they tell you! Do what they tell you! Keep that thing on him! Shoot now! Oh, God! Get away from me, you freak!
It just keeps getting worse.
Get away from me, you freak! He was on me! What did I get? What is that? I'm okay, right? Where's my health? I'm good? Ooh, okay, crafting. It's my files. Ooh, charm. Okay, yeah, we know. Charm. Because you know they down here doing some weird stuff. Okay, that's my map. On the map. Y'all know I sing when I get nervous. Hello, is there anybody else up here? I was just asking. Please. Hello? Oh my gosh. Hi, my name's Leon. Open up. Woo! Oh my god. Oh, you. What the? Girl. What in the darn dickens? Is they already out here? Hello? Hey guys. Woo! Okay, we gotta be. Y'all know me. Y'all know me. Boom! What you wanna do? What's up with you? And what you trying to get into? Shoot him faster! Shoot him faster! Now get in it! Pow! It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Get him! Ooh! Now what you trying to get into? Woo! Now get over here, cause he want a piece of it. Okay, don't nobody else want a piece of it. Okay. Oh my gosh! I actually did okay at that part. Okay, relax. Cause I know this is about to get so much worse. Make sure that you're checking this entire area, Soleil. Make sure that you're checking. Come on, Soul. Stay in the game. Hello? Hi, fellers. Trying to get up out of here. Hello? Stay focused. Oh, I gotta go upstairs. Leon, what we gonna do? What we gonna do? What is all that going on? Is that who we're looking for? Hey, you better call him.
Bruce, this is Gondor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
President's
Okay.
daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Yeah.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can
Copied.
find.
Hurry up.
Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are.
Get ready.
Gotta go. Talk later.
Ooh. Leon, what are we about to do now?
I'll let myself out.
Oh, he think he okay. Oh, he an Avenger now. He think he an Avenger now. Oh, you better get out of here. What you want to do? Got a very defined chin. I just noticed that when they had the camera in your face like that. Girl, get up out of there. Leon. I'm still on Leon in this haircut. Like, I know it's pretty much, it's nothing really different, but like, it's still, he's definitely giving me Backstreet Boy. He said, "You are my fire." Type T's. I love it. Yes. Y'all saw the way he was karate kicking him like that? That's what I live for. He don't even care. He's just going in. Let me see some more stuff I can kick open. You know how I kick that? Whoa. Relax. I feel like I'm just hearing all types of stuff. Who want to get shot today? You must want to get shot. Now what's going on? Oh, okay. There's something where you can save in there. I'm not even tripping on that. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, okay, so they're not letting me use that there. This must be where I can save in the actual game. Got it. Heard you. Hello? Is young Leon? Hello? Hello? Okay. Girl, you want a piece? There's somebody talking. I know y'all hear it. Oh my god. Oh, look at that wolf. Oh my gosh. What is tearing these animals up like this? What is going on? It's not making no sense. Stay hidden. I hear him. Where they at? Because I'll pull this knife out. I don't care. I'm unhinged. Killer Leon in the building. Okay. Looking okay. that? Grab whatever that is. Oh yeah. Go grab that. Absolutely. Positively. Absolutely. Positively. Alright. We're okay. Everybody calm down. I was letting him grab me before. We gotta get better at that. That's not acceptable. Who is it? Who is it? Oh, they know where I'm at. They know where I'm at. Woo! God, they still got me. Damn. I gotta use this for that. Do better. Use. Shoot him. Get away from me. Again, since he don't. Why do you got so much help? Okay. Ugh. They are infected out here. And you trying to be cool with it? I don't know. We kind of get worked a little bit right now. We got to do better. My sentiments exactly. There's something down here? Why is it doing that? Okay. You a grunt like that? Something disgusting. What are you doing? Run, Leon, run, cause the camera work is... There you go. Oh no, I just ran right into it. Ooh! I should have known it was too far for a melee. It was too far. Woo! I had to disrespect you right there, the way you disrespected me. Y'all saw me running full force. Y'all saw me running full force. I said, get the melee, get the melee, get the melee. Get the melee and get it now. Alright. I think we're good. I think we're good. This is rough. Ooh. Oh, what in the world? Oh, it closed. I was like, what in the... What is happening? Y'all, this is... Look at them. What they want me to do? Alright. Excuse me?
Shit. I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting cooked.
And then just watch it. I know it smells like bacon over there. I know it. It gotta smell like bacon. There's no way. Leon, stay out of sight, baby. Stay out of sight. Get up out of there.
Here we go.
What you mean, here we go? What you mean, here we... Oh, she saw me. Ooh, you nosy. Run. Get up out of there. You're her next. Oh, my goodness gracious. My stuff is... Oh, my gosh. I can't even use this. Oh, my word. Oh, this is nuts. Oh, my gosh. I'm working with no headphones. I'm working with no headphones right now. No headphones for nothing. No headphones for nothing. Who is... Oh, we done heard about you. Oh, we done heard about you.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
What does the game want me to do? What does the game want me to do? Get. There you go. Yes, sir.
Oh, nice.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. I don't know what it is, but get it.
Let's see you climb this.
No, not you. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Woo! Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh no. Get away from me. You freak. You see the hands in the corner of the screen? Get it? Going faster. Ooh, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you playing? Hey man, say man. Get your hands off me. There you go, melee. There you go. Get the melee. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, why would you do that? Why would you do that? Why would you do that though? Why would you do that though? I don't know what resources means. And run though. Oh my gosh. I'm ready. Oh no. Get it going. Oh, and I ran right into her. And I ran right into her dump. Get away from me! And get her stupid tail. What's going on here? Okay, get that. Now get that, baby. Now get that and shoot him. Ah, keep not doing it! Get away from me! There you go. I don't know what that is. I don't know why you're giving me chicken eggs. I don't know why that's happening.
Way's closed.
Ooh, what is this? Uh-oh. Get out of there. Oh, Leon. Oh my God. I'm sorry, Leon. Oh, it's me because I'm not good at playing this game. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh. Heal, baby, heal. Get the heals. I'm trying to, it's taking me too long to get the shot, man. Woo! Oh. What's happening? What you mean, huh? What's going on? What you mean, huh? What you talking about, huh?
La campana.
It was getting busy on me. Y'all saw it. I was fighting for my life. What's going on? Why y'all just stop at the we was having a party? What's going on?
Tenemos que servir.
Am I missing something?
Todopoderoso.
This get me Outlast. What? Soon as that light start flashing, folks start getting worse. What's going on? Y'all doing Sunday school? Y'all are not very hospitable. Y'all could have invited me in there. I don't know who y'all praising in there, so let me not even say that. Leon just like,
Bingo.
We need to play a laugh track because he really thought like, okay, so that was the, you know, I'm in there fighting for my life, shooting and smelling like bacon out there. Okay, that was fire. That was really fun. Don't tell nobody y'all saw me getting ate up like that. Don't shh. That'll be between you and me. Don't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody you saw me get ate up like that. I was getting overwhelmed. My flash grenade didn't even hit who I wanted it to hit. Just, it was a mess. But I feel like I'm gonna play this more than one time. I'm gonna play this demo and I'm gonna keep doing it until I get used to it. Cause I'm not getting the shot quick enough, and then when a whole bunch of stuff is happening, I'm kind of like, and I kind of got to get my reaction time better. But I enjoyed this, and I am really excited for the game. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Are you guys excited for Resident Evil 4? Like I said, it is a free way to show, to support the channel. If you're new, subscribe. Everybody should have that bell turned on so you don't miss anything that I'm posting. And yeah, y'all, of course, I always have a blast. I hope you guys have fun too. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.